Let's create a traffic campaign, and now my objective is to send the traffic to my website. Open your Facebook Business Manager, select the ad account which you want to use to run the ad right now. Click on create and select the traffic campaign. In the last video, we learned that how to create a traffic campaign for WhatsApp objective. In this video, we will learn that how to send traffic to your website. Click on the continue button, write the name of your campaign, any that you like. I'm not selecting any A/B testing right now, or I'm not doing any advantage campaign budget because I'm not using many ad sets right now. I'm just using one ad set. So I will leave all the things as it is and press next. Now I'm in the ad set level. Select website. On the right hand side, estimated result of your ads are shown by the Facebook. It is showing that right now the setting of my ad is not good and it will give me zero link clicks. We have to set the ad and we will check that what will appear on the right hand side. I will go with the object maximize number of link clicks. Budget I'm having 2100. Okay, the start date is given over here. Let's move down. Here I want to change the age of my audience. In the manual placements, you can select the placement by yourself where you want to place the ad. So usually I don't prefer the audience network. I remove this placement. Press next. Now I am at the ad level. Select the page on which you want to run the ad. Instagram already been selected. Manual upload, single image I'm going on that. Let me add an image. I will go with the page image, and right now I'm going to select this one. Next, and press next. It is optimizing. This screen will let you optimize your ad. Here is the option standard enhancement. If I on, my ad is fully optimized now. Done. This is the preview of my ad. Write the primary text, and this is appearing over here. Now the call to action button, I will keep learn more. There are so many options, but I will go with the learn more button. This is the area where you place the link of the page where you want to send the traffic through Facebook ads. I will copy paste the name of my website over here, and that's it. Your ad is ready. Now when you press the publish button, it will be published. Let's have a look of the website preview URL, and here we are. There are so many other options, like you can send the traffic to the website, or you can send the traffic to the Facebook event if you are creating any event on your Facebook page, or you can make your audience to call you, and you can divert the traffic to phone call. The number that you give on your Facebook page will be fetched over here, and you can divert the traffic on the call. Means if anyone click over here, it will give you a call on your given number. You may have noticed that this button is also has been changed. If I use the other one, the website which I was using earlier, now the button has been changed to learn more. So this is it from today's video. I will share the link of the video of traffic campaign which we create earlier. If you don't know how to create traffic campaign for WhatsApp, you can check out the link. It is in the description. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe and share my channel. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.